Hello, everyone. I hope you're all doing well, and welcome back to SanTech, your go-to channel for Windows Server and IT infrastructure tutorials. In this video, we're going to learn how to install and configure Internet Information Services, also known as IIS, on Windows Server 2025. IIS is Microsoft's web server platform used to host websites, web applications, and web services. By the end of this video, you'll have IIS installed and running, and you'll be able to host your first website on Windows Server 2025. Prerequisites. Before we begin, let's quickly go over the prerequisites. A server running Windows Server 2025, administrator access on the server, a static IP address configured on the server, basic network connectivity, and a client machine to test web access. In my lab environment, I'm using a fresh Windows Server 2025 machine named Kinetic. Let's start by installing the IIS role on our Windows Server 2025 machine. Open Server Manager. Click on Manage and select Add Roles and Features. In the wizard, click Next until you reach the Server Roles page. Select Web Server, IIS. When prompted, click Add Features to install the required components. Click Next through the Features page. On the Web Server Role page, review the information and click Next. On the Role Services page, you can leave the default selections or customize them based on your application needs. Click Next, then click Install to begin the installation. Wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation finishes, click Close. Now let's verify that IIS is installed correctly. Open a web browser on the server. Type http://localhost in the address bar and press Enter. If IIS is working correctly, you should see the default IIS welcome page. You can also test access from another machine on the network by typing the server's IP address in a web browser. If the page loads, IIS is reachable over the network. Next, let's take a quick look at IIS Manager. Open Server Manager. Click on Tools and select Internet Information Services Manager. From here, you can manage websites, application pools, bindings, and security settings. This is the main console you'll use to configure and manage IIS. We have successfully installed Internet Information Services on Windows Server 2025 and verified that it's working correctly. You can now use IIS to host websites, web applications, and APIs in your environment. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SanTech for more Windows Server 2025 and IT infrastructure tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.